This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Joshua Amberson. Welcome home. This charming Rambler West / seasonal views of Mount Baker is a turnkey ready 3-bedroom / 2-bath. Home has desired full bath off master, open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, and an 8,000 square feet plus lot. Minutes away from downtown Ferndale, local school districts and I-5. Great opportunity for first-time home buyers / downsizers looking for a Rambler with minimal steps under $400,000. Kitchen provides a blank canvas for buyers looking to renovate / upgrade according to their specificity. Don't miss out. For more information, review the details below or contact Joshua Amberson at 360-398-6800.